Hi, my name is Sydney Nelson, and for my senior project, I decided to focus on a website that is for the senior citizen community that's focused on virtual activities and different inspirational talks to combat loneliness and help connect women within this community. The site is specifically for women aged 65 and older, and there's going to be all types of classes: cooking classes, arts classes, craft classes, and then a series of different talks from inspirational women, high profile people, as well as middle of the road, just inspiring individuals. And so this is the homepage of my website. So as for the navigation, there's the homepage, classes, talks, schedule, and the community page. So as you go down the site, you can see the 3 featured classes of the week. So far, I have developed the knit socks tutorial, famous banana muffins, and then this talk from Billie Jean King, who's a tennis legend that's really popular within this age group. And then underneath it just says when each talk or tutorial will be happening. And then this just gives a broad overview of the classes that I'll be offering in general. So there's going to be classes within cooking, art, and crafts. And then this part needs to be worked out. I just need to give a little blur about what each area will be talking about. And then underneath, I just have a few examples of the types of talks that I'll be hosting. These are 3 women that I found from TED Talks that I thought would be inspirational and really motivate people to listen. And then the bottom part of the page I still need to work through. In terms of classes, so far I've only done the classes or the cooking classes at this point. So I've developed 6 cooking classes that will be conducted through the month of April. I'm obviously planning to add more, but as of now, this is the amount that I've come to. And if you click on each one, it will take you to a page that shows you what ingredients you will need for the cooking class. I don't really know why it goes to this configure page. I need to figure that out. But it lists all the ingredients that you'll need. So you have 3 days ahead of class time to get your ingredients. And then here, if you press reserve, it will take you to the calendar view where it will upload automatically to your calendar. So that's it for the cooking so far. And then it's going to look the same for the art section and the craft section as well. I just have to do that part. Next, for the talk section, it says just join weekly female empowerment talks from high profile leaders and inspiring individuals. And these are 6 women talks that I've curated. My grandma actually gave me some of these recommendations, so I decided to go with that. And then they will obviously change month after month, but these are the ones that I came up with for April. And so if it'll react the same way as the cooking pages did. If you click on one, it will show this one's Condoleezza Rice. It will say that it's occurring on April 16th at 12 p.m. and give a little blurb about what the talk will be covering and who she is. And then you can press the reserve button here and it will take you to the calendar view. Yep. So then from here, you can go to the schedule page. And this just shows a calendar view of the month of April. And so far I've worked out 2 classes that someone could potentially be taking: the vegetable stir fry class and the stuffed sweet potatoes class. And then if you click on this, it just shows the time, the date, and then what the class will be covering. I might upload the menu items here so that it's or the ingredient items here so that it's another easy place to find it. But yeah, the schedule will be customizable per user, so it's going to look different for everyone. I think I'm going to change these pictures. I just have to figure out how, and I'll probably include a picture of either the dish or the talk, whichever it may be. And then back to the community page, or I guess this is, I don't really know, a different variation of the page. These are like what I need to change the images, but this is, I guess, if a user had signed up for all of these, this is what it would look like in the different view. And then in terms of the community page, this is almost as if it's a LinkedIn type of page. It just shows other connectors on the site. So I just mocked up a few random examples. And then underneath, I'm looking to add potentially a chat or connect button so that you could chat each user and see if you potentially know them from outside of the program, or if you're looking to make new friends and branch out. I was also thinking of having it so you could click on each profile user and see potentially what classes they've attended in the past. So you could see if you have any potential common interests or connections with this person. So I need to add more users to that. But that's essentially what I have so far. I'm still working out a logo, but I think the name Senior Connect is what I'm going to be going with. I just need to play around with different logo ideas, and potentially include an image behind here so that's not so much white space. I really like how this looks overall, but I think that this part needs a little bit of work. Yeah, so thank you so much for listening, and if there's any feedback you'd like to provide, please let me know. Thank you so much for watching.